Hey there, awesome friends! Welcome back to Eva Central, where learning is always an adventure. I'm Eva, and today, I've got a whole bunch of exciting fun facts to share with you. First up, did you know that sharks are older than dinosaurs? Wow, right? And here's another one. Lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Pretty amazing, huh? But we're just getting started. Check this out. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. How awesome is that? Did you know that? Rats laugh when tickled. Unbelievable, right? And last but not least, the Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer. Isn't that incredible? That's all for today's fun facts. If you enjoyed learning with me, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more cool facts with Eva. See you next time.